Okay, so I figure this is a good time to do this. This is my toilet, my Toto toilet, while I'm cleaning it. All right, now watch. Apparently this is a thing with all these Toto toilets. Watch this. It's not a ton of movement, but it's enough to be annoying. It's maybe like a quarter of an inch in each direction. So watch what happens when I take this off. Let me get you in a little closer. The mount is completely solid. The mount is not loose at all. Okay, so there's the mount. Watch. This is firmly in there. Okay, that's not moving at all. Okay, so somewhere in the back here, when it clicks in, it's loose. Okay, let me pick it up and you'll see. Let's pick up the whole thing. Enough to be annoying. Even though I push down on it, it can move. So here's what I came up with in order to fix this. Anybody know what this is right here? This is the material that you put underneath a rug, like a bathroom rug or an area rug, so that you don't kill yourself. It's very grippy. So what I did was I cut a thin strip of it, and I'm gonna cut maybe 4 inches, 4 and 4. So hang on a second. Let's do this. So you can't do this while the toilet is wet. So if you clean it, you have to let it completely dry. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this, and I'm going to put this underneath, so you can see it's even coming up a little bit, underneath approximately here and here. So let's see if I can do that. See how it works. Okay. So I'm going to push the button on the side, pull it out, put one here, put one on the other side, and I think it's a matter of lining it up exactly where it should go. Alright, so I got to bring it forward a little bit. I put it a little bit too far backwards. So you have to put it so it's under here. If I was smart, I'd just put it right underneath there, but I'm not smart. Okay, so I'm putting it a little bit ahead. The idea is to get it as close to the front as I can without it sticking out. So I'm going to pull this a little forward here. That's in the right spot right there. So I'll push it down, snap it back. Okay, now if I push down on it like I'm sitting on the seat, nothing at all. So watch. It's completely, I feel like the O.J. Simpson gloves don't fit. No, but I am pushing back and forth on it. It's not moving. Okay, so the idea is to put it in the right spot. You have to put it as close to the front as you can and make them as long as you can. And that will prevent the side to side that's apparently inherent in all these Toto Bidet toilet seats. All right, short and sweet. Thanks for watching. And you should definitely do this because apparently this happens. Somebody in a comment of my original video said it's just flapping back and forth yet, because they all seem to eventually. And it wasn't at the time, but now it is. And I guess that's what happens. All right, thanks a lot.